In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete direct messages on Slack. Sometimes you send a message and realize right away that it's in the wrong channel, it has a typo, or you just don't want it there anymore. In Slack, you can delete messages you've sent in a direct message conversation, as long as your workspace settings allow it. I'll walk you through the process step by step so you know exactly what to look for and what happens when you delete something. First, open Slack and go to the direct message where the message you want to remove is located. This could be a one-on-one conversation or a small group DM. Once you're in the right conversation, find the specific message you sent that you want to delete. Now move your mouse cursor over that message. You don't need to click yet, just hover over it. As you hover, you'll see a small menu of icons appear near the message. These usually include options like adding an emoji reaction or replying in a thread. Among those icons, look for the one that shows 3 vertical dots or 3 horizontal dots. This is the More Actions icon. Go ahead and click on that. When you do, a small menu will open with a list of options you can perform on that message. In that menu, select the option that says Delete Message. The wording may be slightly different depending on your Slack version or language settings, but it will clearly mention deleting the message. Once you click it, Slack won't remove the message immediately. Instead, it will show you a confirmation prompt. This confirmation step is important. Slack will warn you that deleting the message is permanent. That means once you delete it, you won't be able to recover it later. Take a quick moment to make sure you've selected the correct message and that you really do want it gone. If you're sure, click Delete in the confirmation window. After you confirm, the message will disappear from the conversation for you and typically for everyone else in that direct message as well, depending on workspace rules. That's all there is to it. Hover over your message, click the 3 dots, choose Delete Message, and then confirm. Use this feature carefully, and remember that deletion is permanent.